Today we are in Lomas de Caburoy, just a couple of kilometers from the beach. We can see this beautiful exclusive development. The properties are key ready and consist of 24 luxury apartments. The design is really something special in this property. It's carefully selected to the highest of standard and really nice interior design. 24 apartments and the property consists of 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Luxury apartment, and the community even has co-working and a private gym as well. So you can pick and choose. You have your gym, swimming pool, just a couple of kilometers from the beach. And now let's go and see the show house.
I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure.
And as you can see, we are coming directly into the property now. And it's an open floor plan with open living room and kitchen area. So now we are coming into the kitchen, and you can see it's very nice and modern. You got that open kitchen feeling. It's all about the looks, all about the detail. And you can see that this is very high material, very nice and beautiful kitchen. Very spacious as well. And I really like the color, that it's matte finish combined with the marble worktop, and also very nice and spacious kitchen, and it's also going openly directly to the living room. Nice and big living room, very nice, also high quality furniture and decoration. It's going directly out to the balcony and the swimming pool you have just outside of it. All the properties are south facing, so the balcony of course has a lot of sun on it, and very nice for a vacation property. All the properties come included with white goods and also with air conditioning installed. It's pre-installed in all of the properties. And now let's have a look at the bedrooms and bathrooms. This property specifically have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and we are first coming into the first bathroom over here, and then we are coming into the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom, or the guest bedroom as you like, and it's very spacious, and also with a balcony door outside to the balcony. See, the decoration is really spot on this property. They have really done the details with all the decoration and furniture. And now we are entering the master bedroom. We are coming first of all coming into the bedroom here. Very nice and modern as well, and you can see it's really about the details in this property, all about the LED lighting, the decoration, all to a high standard, being really designed for a master with an interior designer. Get all the details spot on, and also you have a balcony door outside to the balcony as well. You can wake up in the morning, get out on the balcony, have a dip first thing in the morning. Really perfect, really nice for you who loves to have a dip first thing in the morning. And then as we move on, you can see this is the walk-in closet. Nice and big, really nice. You have a lot of clothes and you can storage a lot of things in here. Very good, nice and modern, also with LED lighting, and of course a mirror so you can stay fresh all day long. And then let's go into the bathroom. This is the bathroom, ensuite bathroom. You come directly from the wardrobe or the bedroom, and then you have a shower, really nice and modern as well, so you have everything you need here. Now let's have a look at the best part of the whole property, the balcony connected right with the swimming pool. And now we are on the best part of the whole property, the south-facing balcony. As you can see, it's a big and spacious balcony. South facing of course, and you have the pool just outside of it, so you can just go out first thing in the morning and have a little dip. And then also the gym is just outside, so you have the gym, you have the swimming pool, everything you need. Now let's have a look at the gym. Now we are inside of the community gym. Here you have everything you need to do a comfortable workout. Even on your own vacation, it's always nice to get a little sweat in and get a little lift, get that pump. So it's really nice. As you can see, you have everything you need just outside, just next to the community swimming pool. And here we are in the co-working. This urbanization even have a little co-working where you can do a bit of work, and even with a nice view of the swimming pool, you can just put on the air condition, sit here and do a bit of work before having a dip in the sea. And then you can have a little workout and then do a little bit of sunbathing. You have everything you need in this urbanization. And now we are just coming up to the penthouse of this beautiful development. So as mentioned, it has in total 24 luxury apartments. And now this is one of the few penthouses left. This property has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms as well, nice balcony, and of course a private roof terrace. As you can see, there are no furniture in this property because it's the one which is show house have all the furniture, but here you can get a furniture pack and get it exactly as the show house, or we can help you finding the right furniture for your property. Included in the price, you have all the white goods still, kitchen is fully fitted, and now this property is really special because of the views. The prices on this property is 475,000 euros. So of course a little bit higher than the ground floor apartment, but it's really worth it. Now I'm going to show you the best part of this property, which is the views. Let's have a look. So this is really something special. This views is unique and a view you don't find very often. A view you will have forever because nothing will ever be built in front of this development, as everything is already built on. So you can have a look, you see the Mediterranean, and on a good day you can even see La Manga in the background. South facing, so here you have sun all day long. You can see the swimming pool, the neighborhood and everything around. So here we have the private roof terrace, very nice, very big, and the views are amazing. So if you want a property that has it all, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, completely new built, south facing, balcony, and the private roof terrace with these stunning views. Also, of course, all the properties are south facing, so it's really nice to have sun all day long. And there is not much more to say about this. Contact me on the WhatsApp link or schedule a call with me with the link below. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you. And also, like and subscribe to the channel. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to get more property tours and property tips in the Spanish property market. I'm your local expert and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I'll see you soon.